Footprint Plus is the event itself is fantastic. The reason why it is organized, what we want to achieve for the future, what the event stands for, that is exactly what we want to be in the future as a business, as Losberger de Boer. And I'm representing Losberger de Boer here in the UK. But in addition to that, the key is who are organizing this. And then you have Tim and Emily who are just going full in, full out. We need to be there and we support the event. Why should we go to Footprint Brighton? Easy. People. Good events. Good business. Where does it start and where does it end? With people. And they are in Brighton. So we need to be there and I will be there. A good event always starts with good people. And with Tim and Emily behind backing the whole Footprint Brighton and organizing Footprint Brighton, that will be the base. That will be the base and the success of the event.